Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Usama Maudbey. Uh, welcome to back my portfolio. My name is Muhammad Usama Maudbey. I am a passionate Python and web development. Here is in our about section. You can explore my background, experience, technical skills, resume and contact information, and I have also added a toggle theme for a better user experience. Let's move on to our projects. That's some of my recent working through 3D calculator, 3D fitness and debt calculator, and e-commerce platform which name Auramart. So Netflix UI clone, to do app with local storage and integrations, sales landing page, and user registration form, main holiday dashboard and professional card, and a CSS Flexbox layout project. Let me quickly walk through of these projects. Uh, this is our hyper calculator. Okay, next is diet calculator, in which you can see your BMI and calories daily. So we also have a Ortmart. This is, you can see that. So next is our Netflix clone. So interface and the pin Halit Netflix and the pin Halit dashboard. With pin Halit dashboard. This is our pin Halit dashboard, and this is, you can see the fully structured layout with revenue stats and task tracking. So in the resume section, you can preview or download my professional resume directly. So if you have any inquiries, you can reach through my directly contact form, email, phone number, and contact via GitHub link and LinkedIn link. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching my portfolio walkthrough. Thank you.